Thank you for tuning in, and today's video is going to be on an unboxing of the Ingersoll and WAN 4151 Orbital Sander. Now I know you like my background here. Who doesn't? I figured it'd be a nice spot to unbox something for a change. Let me know in the comment section if you like it or if it's just tacky. So, that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. It's the first time I ever opened it. It's a brand new product, and as you can see, we get instructions. This tells about the sander, how to properly use it, and probably service, instructions and stuff like that. Now this is the main bells and whistles. Is this boy right here. Now you can change the pads. You can get a hook it if you prefer. Especially if you do a lot of hookup sanding and stuff, the hookets seem to do better. Hookets do better, most of the time anyway. But you can use a sticky pad because the plain pad is what comes in this, and it's just a regular old pad, 6-inch pad for stick it style paper. So, if you're a stick it man, then you can stick it some more. But if you're a hook it man, you will have to buy a hook it 6-inch backing plate. The threads should be the same. That is your tool to tighten that up with and take it off. This is a vacuum. This is actually vacuum ready. As you can see right here. A lot of people don't use it. I probably will never use it. But it's an option if I want to use it. It's just, have you do the vacuum. Need to read the instructions because I'm not sure, because I never did use vacuum on anything I buy, even though it's probably a good feature to have. So go ahead and take a look in this bag here. It's hard to do this one-handed. I need to start setting up a tripod or something. But this is the product information, and this is an adjustable speed sander right here. You got your speed adjustment somewhere right here on the side. Yeah, it's on the side. Most of these DAs will have it right here. This one is on the side. So that's what you get basically in this kit, is a nice fancy box. And instruction manual, some stuff. Now if you're into auto body stuff like that, this is the sander that I enjoy. I will be doing a review on it. I have used a lot of DAs in my time. I ain't never used the 4151, but I have used Ingersoll and WAN before, and they did great. Have used other brands, they did pretty good too. So I figure I'd give this one a try. Drop a like if you found this information helpful. Leave a comment. Enjoy hearing from everyone, and show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. See you next time.